For today's vlog, I'll talk about the Nike Kicks Lounge and then share the DIY customization process and then show you guys what I came up with at the very end. Let's go! This is a very unique Nike store wherein you can actually customize what you buy. So you can buy like a blank white Air Force One and then customize it to your heart's content, put it a little color, write whatever you want in it. And you're not actually just limited to the Air Force One. You can pick up like the M2K Techno or a bunch of other silhouettes and customize it. It's also not just shoes. You can pick shirts, pants, like innerwear, outerwear, whatever kind of stuff that you want customized. You can just buy it here and then customize it yourself. I bought an Air Force One for a little over 10k yen and 1k yen for the customization fee. I had to wait 2 hours though because they were pretty packed that day. But it's okay, mainly because there's a lot to do and see in Omontesando and Harajuku. All I had to do was walk around and take a look at the different thrift shops while waiting for my turn. So we're here at the Nike Kicks Lounge and we're going to try to customize our own Air Force One. So we paid a little extra to mess up a nice shoe. So let's try it out. I'm almost afraid to mess it up because it's really just a nice white shoe.
Okay, so for the customization,
yes.
First things like we only give you 30 minutes to do the customization. So if you go over 30 minutes, it means like we have to stop.
Okay.
As we only have 30 minutes, you cannot do something too crazy. You only can do something simple.
Okay.
No, like oh, you want to make shoes like off-white.
No, nothing like that. Nothing like that.
Nothing like that. So you gotta be careful. Cheer something. So you cannot write something about like other brands.
Yeah, of course. Okay? I can just use whatever's here.
Yeah, so you can use whatever you want to use from the displays. And if you put too much colors on that, it will be more time to pick the shoes out.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, more colors, more paints, more time to dry.
Okay,
yeah.
I get it. Oh. It's a Japanese flag theme. So I'm going to color this red. And then I'm going to put my name in Japanese here along the side. So something simple and something that captures like the memory of staying in Japan. Yeah.
So good luck with that.
I don't know if I'm doing it right, but
What
yeah.
direction?
Oh, see? It kind of looks like the Japanese flag, right? Kind of like it. So I'll leave it here to dry. That's me.
You have to write this yourself.
Oh, the Japanese or the
Japanese?
I'll write it myself. Yeah. Oh wow, okay.
He's writing this.
Karuro. Karuro.
Karuro. Karuro-san.
Oh. Practice. Practice first.
Practice.
I had a simple design in mind, a Japanese flag on the medial side, and then my Japanese name on the lateral side. It was suggested by Kenneth, who was our tour guide, a local that we bumped into, was also Filipino, who was courteous and generous enough to show us around during our stay in Japan. Simple and perfect, but done by hand by me. I'm pretty happy with it since it captured the trip, the vacation perfectly well. A pair with memories and personal stories is definitely more meaningful than another hype pair of kicks. This was definitely one of the major highlights of my sneaker shopping trip here in Japan. So make sure that you guys check it out when you find yourself here. There's a lot of things to do, there's a lot of things to buy, but at the end of the day, if it's something that you do by yourself with your own hands, it has more meaning and it definitely will stay with you for a far longer time than other kicks that you just buy and you sell eventually later on. That's it for now. I hope you guys are doing well. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram, hit the notification bell. Oh, and don't forget that this entire Japan trip has a playlist. So make sure that you guys binge watch the entire series. I'll put a link down below so you can catch up on everything that you missed. Quick shout out to Reggie the Casual. He's one of the first YouTubers to make a video about the Nike Kicks Lounge in Omontesando. I actually discovered it because of him, and it's one of the main reasons why I wanted to go in Japan. That's it for now, guys. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.